Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can program a TEEHO TE002 fingerprint door lock. So whether you are setting it up for the very first time, adding fingerprints or creating the user code, this guide is going to help you get everything configured correctly in 2026. So as you can see over here, this is the TEEHO lock, and as you can see, this is the section where you can basically put your finger and you can add your fingerprints. But first of all, before programming any of the features, you need to create your own master code. So when you have the lock for the very first time, the default master code would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you just have to simply use this particular master code, and then you need to change it, and you should know the master code. So this particular master code will be needed for managing the fingerprints, the user codes, and the lock features. So once you have changed the master code, once you have the master code available, you need to start entering into the programming mode and then select the option in order to register a fingerprint. So you need to simply place your same finger on the sensor which is available over here, and you need to do it multiple times from slightly different angles until the lock confirms successful enrollment. Now the TE002 can store multiple fingers, making it convenient for family members as well. So after registration, you can just simply test the fingerprint immediately in order to make sure that it unlocks the door consistently. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.